Alright, what I'm going to try to do here is I have to take the nail out of the bottom, or else these won't come out. So the way I do that is these are nailed in. I gotta take them all out. This is my setup. Got my rope. Prevent me from breaking my body. And then I gotta take all these out. Alright. Hold on. Go up here. That's right in there. So the water flows up at the top over there. It's getting in somewhere. So I gotta figure that out. But it runs down. You can see the water stains. And then down here is just piling up and then going through there. That's exactly where the leak is under there. So I'm gonna have to replace that board too. They almost fell through when I stepped on it. And install new paper and then go back up there and figure out where the water might be coming from. Plywood in already. You can see it down there. Smoked rat this morning. I just came up here, started laying down the new paper. Got one row, or two rows at the bottom, and one row on the top. So, I don't know, they say putting these in every 8 inches, 6 to 8 inches or so, slowly. basically under there. Okay. Back in. Yeah, almost done with my project. Come up to the last row, this one here. Just gonna slip it in and then come back and put a bead of glue underneath afterwards. So let's shove this in. Get it under. There. Good to go right there. Alright. Gotta keep going. Okay, this last row, I can't put a nail underneath, so I have to add some silicone adhesive. I'm using this M1 product. For 13 minutes. Okay. This is all done. I forgot to record the final product.